Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, this is a story that has permeated the whole of the Nigerian media landscape over the last week or so. It is names that I am not familiar with, or I was not familiar with hitherto. I am now. I am speaking, of course, about the Ighodalos, and guys, I bring you this. Ex-President Olusegun Obasanjo pays condolence visit to Pastor Ituah Ighodalo over the death of his wife, Ituah Ighodalo. I did, at least I posted a video. I didn't actually run a commentary on it, but I posted a video not that long ago, a couple of days ago, showing Dangote, no less a person, actually visiting this gentleman as well to condole. So now Obasanjo as well. So clearly a national situation now. It looks as though the whole country has taken this on board, because I even saw some sort of like a Twitter type message from Aso Rock condoling this same man regarding this same incident. So again, ex-president Olusegun Obasanjo pays condolence visit to Pastor Ituah Ighodalo over the demise of his wife, Ituah Ighodalo. So now let's now find out how this has been described. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo today, Friday 19, paid a condolence visit to Pastor Ituah Ighodalo, husband of businesswoman and notable event planner Ituah Ighodalo, who passed away on Sunday, June 14, in Port Harcourt. The former president offered consoling words to the clergyman and also prayed for him. Ituah, 39, will be laid to rest in Lagos on Saturday, June the 20th. So now that is a short and to the point caption for that. The pictures really are the narrative, and I shall do a slideshow on this. So first, of course, condolences to the man. This is always a tragedy, and so young as well. 39 is no age. So may God repose her soul first is the first go-to that we have to go to. But then the second go-to is to put my hands up and say that I was not aware of these people until this story actually broke. That's the second go-to. And then the third go-to is just to highlight the prominence that these people clearly have, to the point that all the great and the good of the Nigerian space are just in an orderly queue filing to the residence of this guy to console and to condole him. So he's a clergyman, so he should then find his comfort in the biblical text, which I'm sure he's suitably familiar with. There are never any really words to say when these things happen, but what just struck me to the point of making this video is the level of empathy that this family is getting from the Nigerian population. Conversations in the comment section. Come say kind words about this lady that has passed. Apparently she was a philanthropist. She set up an agency to give IVF treatments to ladies that were looking for the fruit of the womb and all that kind of stuff. So she's a real people person, a real giver, and taking too soon. So come share your words about this lady in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come say charming and enchanting things about this beautiful lady. She was a beauty queen as well, apparently. So come say charming and enchanting things about these great laws in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.